Up next we have the InSinkErator F-2000S water filtration system. This is a simple under-sink water filter that offers a reasonably rigorous filtration process at a fairly low price tag and maintenance cost. The filtration process of the InSinkErator F-2000S comprises only one stage, which features an efficient filter cartridge that's certified to both NSF standards 42 and 53. The filter contains a carbon block media and an ion exchange resin, which together do so quite well to eliminate a substantial amount of contaminants. The carbon block filtration media, in particular, reduces up to 97.5% of chlorine taste and odor in the water. It will also remove 99% of the normal particulates class 1 and cysts, as well as turbidity. The ion exchange resin in the filter takes care of heavy metals like lead and mercury. It's capable of removing up to 99% of lead, including other potentially harmful contaminants like asbestos, atrazine, benzene, lindane, 2,4-D, carbon furan, and p-dichlorobenzene. To put it simply, this is a filter that will work best with treated water that's not high on contaminants like fluoride and microorganisms. It's ideal for light filtration purposes geared towards improving the quality of water rather than doing thorough filtration. The maximum filtration capacity of the InSinkErator F-2000S is 500 gallons, so it can last 6 months depending on the conditions of your feed water. You will, however, enjoy an average water flow rate of around 0.75 gallons per minute at 60 psi pressure, which is not high, but it's almost the same level of flow you would get from a regular tap. If you ask us, this InSinkErator F-2000S under-sink water filter system won't give you the largest capacity, but one thing you will love about it is the good price-performance ratio. It's a suitable choice for those whose major concerns are getting rid of chlorine, lead and several other common contaminants that don't necessarily need an RO filtration system to remove.